Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, I can you hear me? I did not hear you. Hello? Okay. Hello? Now can you hear me? You can unmute your Zoom. No, I cannot hear you yet. What is the problem? Okay, if you want, we can also join our Google Meet. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, now I hear you. Can you hear me? Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so now it's okay. So I think I have some problem in Zoom. So there.
Yes, they also send me a message that your microphone has some problem.
Okay.
So how are you, Rahman? How is going
Alhamdulillah.
your study?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine.
How is your
And
family?
and everything is okay, but in this time I will have lot of pressure, so that's why I also very busy. But okay, now we will start. I share my screen. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now you can see my screen. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Make it full.
Okay. So basically, this is your code,
Oh,
and can you see this now?
yes, yes, I can.
Okay, so in this time we completed our training point for every species with every is year. Okay, so in this
Mm.
time we can use this training point and try to make the classified image of the
Uh,
year of 991, 2001, 2011 and 2021. Okay, so
can you make a full screen or it's my issue?
yeah,
Full screen.
yeah, now it's full screen. I will
Oh,
show
okay,
you
okay.
the
It's
full
my
screen.
issue. It's my. Okay, okay.
Okay, so now we will try to make the this learn cover classification map of every each year. Okay, so just we can make the training point and everything. So now we'll try to start. Okay, so first of all I will add my previous code, so that's why in this time I just edit this code and also try to discuss. Okay, so first of all you need to merge this training point. So here you can see in this time we need to work with the three different year. Okay, four different
Four,
year of
four. Okay.
1991, 2001, 2011 and
Mm.
2021.
What? Yeah.
Okay, so first of all we need to match every year training point. Okay, so I simply take a training point, support samples, then I simply put here the 1991. So in this variable I stored all of the training point for year of 1991. Okay, so I just simply remove this code, it's not needed for this time. Okay, I also edit in here. Suppose you can see first is the water. I simply use here the this variable name water.
Mm.
It's water 1991. Okay, it's done. Then you can see another barren land, so I also add merge function. Then I simply put here this barren land. I simply use here the barren land. I simply use here the barren land 1991. Okay, it's also merged. And then do for the same things for the forest. Okay, so forest yeah, do you have any question?
No, 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 no.
Okay, and then forest I also add the forest. It's very easy, so I simply the forest, then I simply put here the 1991. Okay, it's also done. Then only for the three class water and barren land and forest. Yeah, then I
Yeah.
simply remove all of the things, it's not right for this time. Okay, in this time I take the another variable and do for the same thing. So I simply copy this code from here. In this time I merge the training point for year of 2001. So I simply change the variable name 2001, and then I just simply also change here. You can see every is 2001, so I simply change the 2001. Also change here 2001, but in this time you can barren land. Okay, so you can use here the capital L, so I simply use the same name capital L in here. Then also you can see forest, so I simply use here the forest 2001. Okay, it's also done. Then do for the same thing for the year of 2011. So do for the same thing 2011. Okay,
No, no. The
okay,
it's wrong.
2011. Okay, so now I simply use here the training point for the year of 2011. So I simply put here the 2011. So what you can write in here, I see. So for 2011 you can use here the water, and this is the small case, so you can simply use here the small case. You need to use the same name, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
So then also use here the
Yeah, it's capital. Yeah.
then 2011, and there is the no build up area in year of 1991.
Yo. Built up 1991.
You add this training point.
Yes, there is. I see.
Okay, I also find it. So we also
Yeah.
need to add here the build up. I will not find it the first time.
Yes.
So I simply
And
use
one
here
more.
the March.
Agriculture. Yes,
Okay,
agriculture.
I also add this, no problem. So it's the build up, build
Okay.
BUIL.
Built up. BUILT.
You but
This is. Oh, I forgot the
okay, no
build.
problem. So we can use the same name in here 1991. Okay, and also another is the agriculture, yeah. So
Built
I
up.
simply use here the March and then agriculture. What is the variable of for the agriculture? You can write here, I can find it. So agriculture land, okay, so agriculture
I
agriculture
need to take care about these words for the next.
land. So when you write the same spelling, then we
Yes.
simply use the year, then it will be very easy. Okay,
Oh,
so now
I have
this
no
class,
idea.
okay. So now move to the add here the forest. Then what is the year of 2001? So year of 2001 we can check forest barren land 2001 agricultural land. Okay, so in this time we also need to add here the agricultural land. I use here the March function, then I simply use here the agriculture agricultural land 2001. Okay, so then also build up area. Okay, so I simply use here the March, and then where is the build up build up build up 2001. Okay, it's also got done. Then also need to add here the another things March. So it's the 11, so agriculture 11, so you write here the agriculture okay. Then also so water barren land forest agriculture and build up. Okay, so
Yes.
build up you write here build up it's 2011. Okay, done. Okay, and last training point we also take here from here, so it's the year of 2021. Okay,
Yes.
so year of 2021. So first of all, for the 2021 you can write here the for the water you can write here the same name water 2021, and it's also a small w, okay, lowercase, and then merge with 2021 water build up barren land. Okay, so also barren land is available, so barren land 2021. Okay, and also forest, for forest you can use here the 2021. Okay, and then we also need to merge here
Yes.
another two. What is this? So this is the forest barrenland water build up. So build up, build up, build up. It's 2021. Okay, and merge with agriculture. Agriculture. (2021). Okay, done. So you can see we can make the all of the training we merge. Okay, for every each year we merge. Okay, in this time we also need to add some our prediction band. So in this time
we forgot the. Now we need to put the uh, built up. How to say indices.
okay, so we will add the letter. First of all we can just our finish the procedure, and then we can check the accuracy. What is the accuracy of our LULC data? Okay, if your accuracy is low, then we can add the different types of indices and other indices. Okay, it's better. Okay, so in this time you can see, in this time we can create this, and we also need to, okay, so we can perform the prediction band. So in this time I already work with another project for this, so I will try to help this code in here. So okay, so they are using the bands as okay. Okay, so I simply use this band.
Sentinel.
Yeah, it's Sentinel dataset.
Yeah.
Okay, then we need to use here this, you can see we need to make the training data set in this time. Okay, so first of all we check our what's the condition of our training data. Okay, so I simply print and then simply print the suppose one. Now click to the run, we can check. But you in here you added the lot of training point. Okay.
So you mean I don't need to put many?
No, it's not mean you can
necessary.
add the only for the 40 or 50, then it will be okay.
Oh, but it's a full district.
Okay, no problem. You can, when you want to work with the full one country, suppose full Pakistan boundary or full country boundary of Bangladesh, okay, then we can get the training point more. But in this time for the small region we can, you can see we can get the for only for the year of 1991 you can get total 1500 training point only for this one. Okay, so it 500. Okay, but you can see all of the training point for the build up barren land forest and other training you can call agriculture and barren land, you can get to the total 1500 training point.
That's why my image was very loaded.
Yeah, that's the another problem. Okay, so now we can make the training data set. You can see what is the condition in this time when you want to training data set. So first of all we need to create the training image, train image. So in this time first of all I want to train image for the year of 1991, so I simply use here the 1991. Then you can see image, you need to select your image. So I simply go to in here and then I simply call my image. Suppose you can see image 1991, I simply call this image and then simply copy and then simply paste here. Okay, sorry, paste here. Okay, so now select my prediction band and float. Okay, so now I take the train image for the only 1 year. I also need to do the same thing for the other, so I simply copy and just paste. Then in this time I want to take the train image for 2001. Okay, 2001. Okay, 2001. So this is the 2001. So I simply call the image of 2001. So here is the image 2001. I simply copy this image and then here and then simply paste here. Okay, 2001. And do for the same thing for the rest of the 2 years. So I simply copy. This is our year of 2011. I simply put it at the 2011 and image variable name you can see 2000, and I simply copy and paste here and do for the same thing for the year of 2021. So I simply use here and you can see year of 2021. I simply call the year of 2021 and paste here. Okay, in this time I created my training dataset. So in this time I need to also create the training dataset. So for this you can see for the I need to the classifier training for the every each year. So in this time suppose I want to the classifier training for the year of 1991. Okay, then I call that train image, simply paste here. Okay, then select the prediction band, we already selected. Then sample region, in this time I need here the sample for 1991. I simply copy the variable name and then paste here. Okay, then property name. So property name, which property you add here when you want to take the training point, I check it. Class. So okay, so I simply copy and all of the property name will be same. Yeah,
yes, class.
Okay, class. So I simply put the class and resolution, in this time it is the land set. I simply use at the 30 meter. Okay, now it okay. So for that class train image we can create the class train image for only for the 1 year. Okay, so I simply copy this code and add this classifier train for the rest of other years. So I simply paste here. So in this time you can see I need to add here the year of 2001. So I simply use the 2001 and then I also need to add here the train image for the 2001. I simply copy and then paste here. After this I need to change here, you can see sample region. I just in this time I need to the sample for year of 2001. So I simply call, you can see sample 2001. I simply copy this variable name and then just paste here. Property is same, class is same. Okay, so I simply copy again and paste here. In this time it will be 2011 and then here I use the train image for the 2011. Okay, and then you can see prediction band and collection will be that 2011. So I simply copy this sample 2011 and just paste here sample. Okay, and okay, so then last year of 2001. So I simply paste here and then I simply use here the 2021, call the image for the 2021. Okay, so it will be 2021. Okay, so I simply call the train image for the year of 2021 and paste here, and sample region collection will be the sample year of 2001. I simply copy and paste here. Okay, done. So I want to check the one training data set. We can see I simply print and then click to the run. If your pixel value will be lot, then we also need to reduce this training point. Okay, we can check it.
Oh,
We can check it. What happened?
yeah. So we need to print one by one.
Yeah. So you can see it will be computing. You can see what's happened. If your the
But
pixel value is be large, then we can find here there is the no training data set. Okay, so we can see.
there is some, I see some errors in the 2011 image.
What types of error you can find?
Can you check the image? We made some pictures before.
Yeah, B2 did not find as any band.
Oh,
And then okay, so we can find the training data set. In this time you can see, in this time this is my training point and this is my training data set. Here you can see the feature. In this feature you can find all of the pixel value. You can see I simply click to here and go to the properties. You can see I can get the blue pixel value, green pixel value, red pixel value,
yes.
shortwave infrared pixel value, shortwave infrared 2 pixel value. Okay, and now I get total 15,000, sorry, 1500, 1500 training data set, and each training point I can get the pixel value. You can see all of the band which I added here. So blue,
Yes.
green, near, pixel, you can get all of the band in here. Okay, so now this is my training data set for the year of 1991. In this time, using this training data set, I need to make my classifier, or I want to add here my machine learning, suppose random forest. Okay, so I add the random forest, and then I using the training data set I classified my image. Okay, so for this we can already add here the train image, so it's already done. So classifier training it's also done, train image done. So in this time I simply remove this part, it's not needed for this time, it's already covered. I simply remove. Okay, in this time I need to create the classifier training. It's already also done, so I simply remove. In this time you can see they are created a classifier training, then classifier training 2000, then March all of the year. Okay, so classifier training, in this time we also need to add here the classifier training, then paste here. Also need to add here the classifier training. We merge all of the training data set. Okay, so then classifier training 2011, and also use here the merge function.
21.
March with classified training, it will be 21. Okay, so you can see classified training. So I merge all of the training data set. Okay,
Yes.
and you can see now it will be merged all of the training data set. And now from the training data set I need to, you can see I can, how many training data set I can get, I check it. So I simply print and then simply print the classified training and check what is the total training data set. So here the lot of code and lot of training point, so that's why it takes some time for loading. Yeah,
Oh, yes, yes. And also internet
yeah.
speed depend on internet speed.
So this is our training point, this is our training data set, and this is our merge. We can see how many merge we can find it. Okay, so now it takes some problem. You can see in this time when I merge all of the training point, it's showing that it's across their limit. Okay, 5,000 limit. Okay, so we can also try to run this program. You can see, so they are across the limit. Okay, classified training, for we can use here the every merge and then use here. Okay, okay. Okay. So classified training, I merge all of the training point, and here I can find the it across my limit. So I take you took here the lot of training point, so that's why it across their limit. Okay, so in this time we also handle this limit. Wait a minute. So
We need to remove some.
yeah, we need to some remove, but in this time, okay, so classified training 99 march all this. Okay. Okay, we remove some training point. Wait a minute.
Don't remove it, will take time.
So this is the water. You can get the 300, more than 300. It's not needed mass. Okay, it's very
Before I have no idea. Oh, it will take a lot of time.
yeah. So your image is the fully with the training point. You can see when I open all of the training point, this image is
Yeah.
cannot see properly because you can get the lot of training point. You can see more than 50 or 30 or 40 is enough for each classes. Okay.
Oh, yeah. So my, because it's my first time, so that's why. Can I remove here some and then send code to you?
Yeah, it's also, you can also try to this. I will send this code. Just a minute. I will send this code. You can, from this code you can just remove the training point and then send me. Okay, more than 30 or 40 is enough.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
And it
So you will be available
yeah,
after.
yeah, I will be
Okay, okay,
today
okay,
is
okay.
I will available, no problem. So I have the another class in the night time, but today I usually available in the daytime in Bangladesh, no problem.
Okay, okay, okay. You can send me.
Okay, you can see there's a lot of training point in here, so that's why it across the limit, they are pixel value limit acrosses, so that's why in this time showing this. Okay,
And also save both the link, like this video conference. Also, you can save it.
okay, okay.
Yes.
So now in here the you can see 10:41 a.m. in Bangladesh. So you can try to with 12. Okay,
12. Okay, okay.
okay. So
Yes, yes, I am here now. Just I will go for nucleic acid test for like 30 minutes.
you can see there is a lot of training point. Oh my
Yes.
god.
It's very worse condition here in Beijing now.
Okay. Okay, so we can get the training point. Sorry, link, code link, and you can just remove and get the only for the 30 or 40. Then
Okay, okay, okay.
send me this. Okay, I will also give you the access in my shape file, so that's why you don't need to upload it the shape file again. Or if you want, you can upload this shape file and work with this, no problem. Yeah,
Which one? This shape file. Okay, okay.
you can just upload this shape file, or I will also give you the access so you can easily access and you don't need to access the edit the shape file again. So in this time I
Okay, okay,
shared
okay.
this so anyone can read. Mhm. And then simply copy the link, and in this time you can just go to this link and you can open this code and remove the training point, then it will be okay.
Okay,
Okay, so and after this you can just send me a message,
okay.
then
Yes, I receive.
okay,
Okay, okay. Let's see.
okay, thank you. Okay,
And save this link.
okay, okay.
Okay,
And you can
okay,
also send me your email. Okay, again.
okay. Save again.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, bye.
Bye, bye.